baka ikaw yung nani. Joke.
Hoy, Sandy!
Hi! Ay, naku.
Kamusta ka na, girl?
Ay, ito, mabuti naman. Pasensya na pala kayo, Medyo natagalan ako kasi, alam niyo na, inasikaso ko pa yung mga anak ko.
Mga? Wow! Ilan na ba ang anak mo?
2 na, be.
Ay, ba't wala ba kayong nani?
Naku, wala eh.
Or baka ikaw yung nani. Joke.
Kamusta na ba kayo, girls? Grabe natuloy din yung reunion natin.
In fairness, hindi na drawing yung isa dyan.
Hoy, hindi Busy lang ako sa career ko, no?
Bakit? Anong career ba yan?
Guess what? The Revival Company lang naman.
Talaga? Ibang level ka na talaga, girl.
Ikaw, Joy, kamusta ng buhay-buhay?
Same office pa din, pero promoted na as a manager. How about you?
Well, most of the time, I'm traveling. Nakakapagod pero career like a girl. How about you, Sunday?
For sure, nasa bahay lang yan. Taking care of her 2 kiddos, right, Sandy?
Yes, you're right.
Hindi ka naboboard, babe? Like, nasa bahay ka lang. Diyos ko, hindi ko yata kakayanin yun. Pag ako,
Hindi naman.
I doubt. For sure, naboboard ka sa life mo. As a full-time mom and wife. Di ba, girls? Ang hirap kaya nun.
How about your husband, Be? For sure, maganda yung work mo. At siya lang naman nag-work sa inyo, di ba?
Wala siyang work. I mean, nag-work siya. But most of the time, kasama namin siya ng mga bata.
Okay.
Basta ako, I'm so excited. And I claim it. The Revival Company kaya yun. Ang daming gustong makapasok dun sa company na yun. And I'm so lucky kasi final interview ko na with the boss. The CEO. I heard, gwapo pa nga yun eh. Pero I'm not sure if it's single.
Nope. Actually, he's not.
Paano mo naman nalaman, girl?
Kasi he's my husband.
Wait. Ikaw ang misis ng CEO ng company? I mean, the huge company?
Yes. But I don't wanna brag about it. But since kasi, minamaliit mong pagiging full-time mom at asawa ko, kaya ako sinabi. Anyway, I need to go home, girls. It was so good to see you today, but I really need to go home to be with my husband and my kids. And, Casey, sabihin ko lang sa'yo, wag na wag mong maliliitin yung mga full-time mom na kagaya ko. Balang araw, ikaw, or kayo, maiintindihan nyo rin yan pag nagkaasawa at anak na kayo. Okay, I have to go. And, before I forgot, good luck with your interview with my husband. Sorry, with the CEO. Bye.